Right here is our first render is completed. You can say it's take about 2 hours 30 minutes to render for this image. And again, it is look a little bit wash out, but a little bit more natural. So we'll go ahead, okay. Let's go ahead and close this one, and we'll go now preloading. Okay, so select full atmosphere. Let's go open, and yeah, we'll update everything, some positions. So we'll just update all of the properties. Okay, and you can see in a second when it will become more colorful, saturation, everything. So we'll go with this one. Let's go click OK, and we'll go render one more time. So again, this will take a little bit again some time. And pause the tutorial, and we'll come back when render is completed. Here's our other render is done, and actually you can see it took only 48 minutes. So it's almost 2 hours different was between photometric or standard render. Personally, I like with the colors again, but I'm going for illustrations. If you're going for realism, you're going for photometric. So, and again, here's a photometric review. Okay, let's go click OK to close this one. Photometric and standard. So we can always just go in. You can kind of preview colors. I see a lighting going, some reflections on the trees. Okay, so right here, two different things. I'm going to probably process this a little bit more as a painting inside the Photoshop. Again, this is optional step. If you're interested, you can follow this, or you can just enjoy to create this. And remember, when you purchase these tutorials, you will have it all packs, you will have it project files, you will have it models, and all presets. So let's go. Thank you if you're watching here, but I say you can continue watching if you want to see the part where we're going to retouch this in Photoshop.